DPA mainly supplies products of body part system, and all products are certified by EAC. Among them, the lighting series is the flagship of DPA, and all products have passed the EU E-Mark quality certification. Before leaving the factory, all products have passed a strict airtightness test and dimming test to ensure that every product meets the OE quality standards. With high quality and competitive price, DPA products are sold well all over the world. DPA Headlight. The lampshade is made of BPC material and unique two-color molding process, and the surface layer is treated with UV hardening, super anti-oxidation ability, guaranteed 2 years without yellowing. The lamp housing is made of raw polypropylene, which can effectively avoid oxidation. The lamp bowl is made of new BMC material, which has good molding shrinkage and high stability of dimensional accuracy, ensuring the stability of light shape. DPA Headlight perfectly solved the problem of yellowing lampshade. 24 months warranty. Ensure your driving safety.
Vica DPA, the right one.